Hey everybody, I'm starting a new series called Quick Tips. Hope you like it. I'm always looking for ways to save time and be more efficient when I'm building. And I find my bench littered with tools and materials almost immediately when I start a project. I thought to myself, there's got to be something I can do about this. I've got things mostly organized into bins, which helps a ton when I'm searching for that tool or material that I need. And it'll be even better when I've had a chance to build a card catalog to store all my hardware. Stay tuned for that build. I can clear away most of the clutter using these bins, but some tools just need to live on the bench. Saws, the bench brush, measuring and marking tools, and drill drivers. The one item I can stow away easily today for quick tips are my hammer drill and my screw gun. I'm gonna hang them right here using these belt clips. I've got a scrap piece of slotted angle iron that should work pretty well for what I want to do. I'll use my Paul Sellers frame saw. If you haven't checked him out, please do. He's amazing. I'll cut off a piece of this, attach it to the bench, and bend it to fit. It's a pretty simple build. I'm not making any trips to the hardware store these days, so I just use what I had laying around. Now I'll always have my drills close at hand, but out of the way and securely attached to my bench. We live in some strange times these days. We can't get out like we used to. But that doesn't mean we can't keep making things. Use whatever you have lying around. Repurpose materials. Whatever it takes to get your hands moving and your mind off your mind. And that's it for this first installment of my new series, Quick Tips. I really hope you liked it. If so, hit that thumbs up button. Tell me what you thought about it in the comments. I'd love to hear any quick tips you all have for me in this new workshop. And please subscribe to my channel. I want others to see these videos, and subscribing goes a long way to that end. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Alex. Catch me in the next one.